आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल ड्रग से है, जो गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल सिस्टम है उससे है, ठीक है। देखेंगे कि इसका यूज जो ड्रग्स है इसका यूज कहाँ कहाँ होता है, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टाइनल में, ठीक है। और ये एमसीक्यू में है, ठीक है। चलिए देखते हैं कि इसका एमसीक्यू क्या क्या है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर जो है, हिस्टामिन H2 ब्लॉकर एटेन्युएट द गैस्ट्रिक secretory response to acetylcholine and pentagastrin as well because acetylcholine and gastrin act partially by releasing histamine in gastric mucosa. The answer is C. Okay. Next question number is two question number. Okay. Duodenal, duodenal ulcer. The usual duration of H2 blocker therapy is 8 weeks. The answer is C, 8 weeks. Okay. Next question number is three question number. What is the true of acid control therapy with H2 blocker? The answer is A. It generally healing duodenal ulcer faster than gastric ulcer. Okay. Next question number is four question number. In the tract animal H2 receptor antagonist potentiate the flowing action of histamine. The answer is D. Bronchospasm. Okay. The next question number is five question number. Gynecomastia can occur as a side effect of, the answer is of cimetidine. Okay. The next is sixth question number. Which histamine H2 blocker has most marked inhibitory effect on microsomal cytochrome P450 enzyme? Okay. The answer is A. Cimetidine. Okay. The next question number is seven question number. Choose the correct statement about H2 blocker. इसमें चूज कीजिए जो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है इसका H2 ब्लॉकर का। जो आंसर होगा वो होगा सी, दे प्रिवेंट स्ट्रेस अल्सर इन द स्टमक। ओके। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज एट क्वेश्चन नंबर। रानिटिडिन जो होता है वो आपको एसी लॉक जो टैबलेट होता है गैस का उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा। differs from cimetidine in the following respect. The answer is C. It does not have anti-androgenic action. Okay. Next question number is 9 question number. Compared to the H2 blocker, omeprazole effort the following. जो omeprazole है ये भी गैस का ही कैप्सूल है, आप यूज कर सकते हैं। omeprazole अगर आप मेडिकल में जाकर के मांग सकते हैं गैस अगर बना रहा है आपका तो चलिए इसका आंसर जानते हैं। 9 का जो होता है वो आंसर इज द डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव, एंड ए इज द फास्ट रिलीफ ऑफ अल्सर पेन। जो अल्सर पेन होता है पेट में दिक्कत जो होता है उसको रिलीफ करता है जल्दी, कौन, ओमेपैराजोल। देन फास्टर हीलिंग ऑफ द ड्यूडेनल अल्सर जो होता है इसको भी क्या करेगा, रिलीफ करेगा। देन हायर एफिकेसी इन हीलिंग रिफ्लक्स एसोफेजियाइटिस। ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर में आते हैं वो 10। Then choose the drug which block basal as well as stimulated gastric acid secretion without affecting cholinergic, histaminergic or gastrin receptor. The answer is C. ओमेपैराजोल। ओमेपैराजोल हम आपको बता दिए कि ये गैस में काम आता है। अगर आपको गैस है, गैस बना रहा है आपका पेट में, दिक्कत हो रहा है तो आप खा सकते हैं। ओके। Next is 11 question number. Omeprazole exert partially no other action except inhibition of gastric secretion because the answer is D, all of the above। because के बाद It transforms into the active cationic form only in the acidic. Its active form have selectively affinity for the H plus K plus ATPase located in the apical canaliculi of the gastric parietal cell. Gastric parietal cell. Then C is its cationic form are unable to diffuse out from the gastric partial cell canaliculi. Okay. The next question number is 12 question number. 12 question number is the most efficacious drug for inhibiting round-the-clock gastric acid output is omeprazole. The answer is A. Omeprazole. Okay. The next question number is 13 question number. The following is true of proton pump inhibitor except में कौन सा आएगा? Their prolonged use can cause atrophy of gastric mucosa. Okay. Next question number is 14 question number. The first choice of drug for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug associated gastric ulcer is misoprostol. मिसोप्रोस्टल इसमें नहीं होगा. जो आंसर होगा वो होगा ए ओमेपराजोल. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 15. Select the drug which is an inhibitor of gastric mucosal proton pump. The answer is T. Lansoprazole. ये भी गैस में काम आता है. गैस के कैप्सूल आते हैं, टैबलेट आते हैं, उसमें काम आते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 16 क्वेश्चन नंबर. The following classes of gastric anti-secretory drug also reduce gastric motility and have a primary effect on juice volume with less marked effect on the acid and pepsin content. The answer is B. Anticholinergic drug. Okay. Next is 17 question number. 17 is the primary mechanism by which prostaglandin promote ulcer healing is augmentation of bicarbonate buffered mucus layer covering gastroduodenal mucosa. Okay, the answer is B. Next question number is 18. Choose the anti-ulcer drug that inhibit gastric acid secretion, stimulate the gastric mucosa and bicarbonate secretion, and has cytoprotective action on gastric mucosa. The answer is A. Misoprostol. Okay. The next question number is 19 question number. The following statement is true about the misoprostol. जो इसमें स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है वो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? तो जो है वो B is the true statement of misoprostol. It heals non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug and use the gastric ulcer not responding to H2 blocker. Okay. Next question number is 20 question number. The acid neutralizing capacity of an antacid is governed by, the answer is D, both A and C. A is the equivalent weight of the antacid, then B is then C is the rate at which the antacid reacts with HCl. इससे HCl से क्या कर रहा है, रिएक्ट कर रहा है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 21 क्वेश्चन नंबर. And as an antacid, sodium bicarbonate has the following disadvantage except C. It has low acid neutralizing capacity. Okay. The next question number is 22 question number. The following is true of alum hydroxide gel except it causes loose motion as a side effect. The answer is D. Okay. Next question number is 23 question number. Choose the correct statement about Magaldrate. Magaldrate. ये Magaldrate जो है वो ड्रग है. ओके. जो इसका आंसर होगा वो होगा बी. It has a rapid as well as sustained acid neutralizing action. Okay. Next question number is 24 question number. Antacid combination of magnesium and aluminum salt are superior to single component preparation because all of the above. A. They have rapid as well as sustained acid neutralization action. Then B. They are less likely to affect gastric empty. And C. They are less likely to alter bowel movement. Okay. The next question number is 25 question number. In peptic ulcer, antacid are now primarily used for prompt pain relief. Prompt pain relief is the answer. Okay. Next question number is 26 question number. Sucral fat promote healing of duodenal ulcer by coating the ulcer and preventing the action of acid pepsin on ulcer base. The answer is B. Okay. The answer is B. Next question number is 27 question number. Antacid administered concurrently reduce efficacy of the following antipeptide ulcer drug is sucral fat. Sucral fat. The next question number is 28 question number. The following anti-ulcer drug does not act by reducing the secretion of or neutralizing gastric acid. The answer is B. Sucral fat. Okay. Next question number is 29 question number. The most important drawback of sucral fat in the treatment of duodenal ulcer is need for taking a big tablet 4 times a day. The answer is D. Okay. Next question number is 30 question number. Choose the correct statement about the colloidal bismuth substrate. इसका चूज करना है कि जो colloidal bismuth substrate जो है वो स्टेटमेंट जो है वो ट्रू कौन सा है. It has anti-H. pylori activity. The answer is B. Okay. Next question number is 31 question number. Eradication of H. pylori along with gastric anti-secretory drug afford the following benefits. The answer is D. Both B and C are correct. जो both B and C जो है वो correct है. Faster ulcer is healing is the B, and C is the reduced chance of ulcer relapse. Okay. Next question number is 32 question number. The drug employed or the drug employed for anti-H. pylori therapy include the following except the answer is A. ciprofloxacin. Okay, ciprofloxacin जो है वो एंटीबायोटिक है. Okay, next question number is 33 question number. The following is true of anti-H. pylori therapy except A. It is indicated in all patients of peptic ulcer. Peptic ulcer is the A answer. Okay. Next question number is 34 question number. The preferred regimen for preventing duodenal ulcer replace is A. B. Maintenance H2 blocker regimen. Is maintenance H2 blocker regimens. Okay. ये जो है ये पार्ट 1 है ना, और पार्ट 2 भी पार्ट 1 है और पार्ट 2 जरूर देखिएगा, इसी का है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए